Hey, what up? It's your boy Mahogany Beats, two-time Grammy Award-winning producer, and I'm at your service. That sounds cool, right? But yet I had child support, bankruptcy, student loans, charge-offs, collections, you name it, I had it on my credit report for 20 years. 8 years ago, my personal finances was a mess, but my professional career was doing well, but yet they didn't really align. What do I mean by that? Here I am making a ton of money, doing what I love, but yet I couldn't get anything legit in my name due to my 450 credit score that I got when I was back in college. Until I came across approved123.com. Click on the link below if you're an entrepreneur in any business or industry looking to rebuild your personal name so you can leverage your business name in order to get funding. This will open so many doors for you in this world that you didn't know existed. Tell the Mahogany Beats sent you, because I approve this message. Peace.